If you want to make at least $500 per day in 2025 with TikTok affiliate marketing without showing your face, as you see me here on my camera right now on YouTube, no, faceless channel on TikTok, no matter where in the world you are, if you have 30 minutes, some money to invest in yourself, and 30 minutes per day, you can do this, okay? The main point of affiliate marketing is not to use your face or voice to sell or promote products. No, the main point of affiliate marketing, my friend, you see, in 2025 is to promote other people's product that are high quality using the right messaging. You see, no one in their expensive courses is teaching you or telling you the right baby steps, as you can see over here, to go step by step and start making at least $500 per day, right? Because we have males and females audiences. And language patterns, copywriting should be different on all sales pages, on ClickFunnels, on QuizFunnels. Why? Because males and females are different in the brain, different thinking, different structure of mindset. That's why you cannot get sales. Because the structure is wrong. Not just wording, but structure. For females and males, because we have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. And how you promote products or the words you use in your ad copy should be very, very different than if you're promoting, I don't know, someone who is already, who know is overweight or fat or need to lose weight. And someone who doesn't know they have diabetes because of that, of the weight loss problems, right? So, as you watch this video, my friend, the most important thing to understand is to have the right one, the person who can guide you one-on-one, hand-holding you along the way. Because if you're buying outdated courses, it will not work in 2025. It's impossible to work, right? So you need to have someone who's going to guide you step by step along the way. Now, the most important thing also is the right traffic source, structure of ads, high emotional states, low emotional states, audiences, targeting details, right? And all you have to do is you have to connect with someone who's going to help you one-on-one. Because wasting $5,000 on a course, it will not solve anything if you don't have the right, not outdated, but the right timely, framed methodology, framework that's proven to work in 2025, right now, in March 2025, as you watch this video, right? Or maybe you're watching in May, I don't know when you're going to watch this video. But this is very important. You need to have someone who's going to help you, and then you can make $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing, or even more. Okay? Because once you become professional, you can take it over. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5. You can do it as a side hustle on the side. And once you make enough money, you can decide, okay, I'm going to quit my 9 to 5. But you don't have to do that right now if you don't want to. Okay? Because once the business is sustainable, monthly, daily profits, yes, then you can do it. Okay? I'm not promising you millions like other people on YouTube. No. I'm telling you, if you do this step by step, you have someone who can help you along the way over a Zoom call, give you exactly what you need, you can get it done in 30 minutes per day, every other day, and start having really sustainable results. Because imagine this, I travel to 63 countries, over 63, 64 countries right now, stay in 5-star resorts, I fly first class, business class tickets, not to brag, but to show what is possible if you're really serious. If you want to do something for your family, if you want to have this dream lifestyle, traveling all around the world, you can see on my Instagram, my YouTube, I'm always sharing when I'm traveling all around the world, right? And why I can do this? Because I took affiliate marketing seriously, because I invest some money in myself because I deserve success, like you deserve success watching this video, right? If your self-worth is low, you're going to blame other people. You're going to blame of not getting started, of not having enough money to invest in yourself, right? But if you actually took action, if you just invest some money, do you think it's worth it? Because people are paying in US for college $50,000, $200,000 US dollars, $100,000, and they don't have any guarantee of getting a job afterwards, right? But if you are serious, if you have some money to invest in yourself, it's still cheaper than investing in traditional business, where you have to have a set up office, workplace, employees, all this stuff that you have to deal with, all the stress. With affiliate marketing, no stress, low stress, and a lot of success possibilities through the roof. If you have someone who can help you along the way. Because just look around you, everyone is on their phones. Go to subway, go to trains, buses. You'll see everyone, right? Everyone is on their phones 24/7. TikTok, Instagram scrolling, Facebook scrolling, and your ads could be there. You could be making money. That's why Facebook is so rich, Google is so rich, because people are spending on advertising, right? Otherwise they wouldn't be spending so much money, millions per day, if they wouldn't be making any money, right? So as you watch this video, if you want to get the results, connect with me. My Instagram, my WhatsApp number, my email, my Facebook Messenger is all in the description below. Let's connect.